Enable NFC on your Motorola phone. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with a new video showing you the updated steps to activate NFC on your Motorola phone. Want to make contactless payments with your phone? You can do that by enabling NFC if available on your Motorola device. Alright folks, let's get started. The process is pretty straightforward. First, tap on Settings on your phone. Then click on the gear icon for Configure. Next, tap on the Connected Devices option. Click that and then tap Connection Preferences. Here, look for the NFC option. Mine's off, so I'm going to turn on NFC. It's on now. You can show the icon in the status bar if you want. Now you need to set up a payment method. Tap Contactless Payment. Google Pay is the default. You can change it by clicking here and choosing a terminal for contactless payment. Here's BB and some apps I have like Infinite Pay and PicPay. Choose which app you want to use for contactless payment. Google Pay is the default option. If you have no other options and no payment method set up, go to Google Pay and let's set it up. Let's click on the Play Store. Click Start. Tap your profile picture, then Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods. If you don't have a credit card, folks, you need to add one. Click Add Credit Card and enter your card details, number, expiry date, and CVV code. After entering the information, just click Save Card. Once you've added a card, you can make contactless payments with NFC on your Motorola phone. Got it? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.